So DJI is cooking up something big and the clock is ticking. The Mini 5 Pro is officially landing sometime between September 16th and 18th. So yeah, we're literally days away. And leaks, they've been nonstop. Igor Bogdanov already dropped what look like official renders, and this thing's rocking a 1-inch camera plus LiDAR sensors for a mini drone that's seriously impressive. But hey, before we get into the juicy details, do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. It takes less time than powering on your drone and it keeps you from missing out on launches like this. Alright, let's talk combos, because DJI isn't just selling you the drone, they're giving you options. The Fly More combo is the one most people will get. It comes with a 2785 milliamp hour batteries, giving you about 36 minutes of flight per charge. The smart part, it keeps the drone under 250 grams, which is kind of the golden ticket for recreational flying in many countries. No headaches, no extra registration, just unpack, fly, and enjoy. Now, in some regions, DJI is going the extra mile with the Fly More Combo Plus. This one swaps in bigger 3350 milliamp hour battery, and suddenly you've got a crazy 52 minutes of flight time. That's almost double the average session for most people. The catch? It pushes the drone over that 250 gram limit, which means you might have to deal with stricter rules depending on where you live. Basically, it's freedom versus flight time. Both versions are loaded with gear. You're not just getting the drone, you're getting a new all-in-one gimbal and prop protector. So instead of juggling separate covers, it's just one piece that snaps on. Then we have 3 intelligent flight batteries, 6 spare prop sets, a filter kit, a charger, a cable, and a carrying case. DJI knows you're going to want the full setup right away, and then controllers. The Fly More combo lets you pick the cheaper RCN3, which is screenless and needs your phone, or the more premium RC2 with its built-in display. Honestly, the RC2 just makes life easier. You pull it out, power it on, and you're flying. Price-wise, leaks say the Fly More combo with the RC2 is sticking to familiar territory, €11.29 in Europe, £9.79 in the UK. In the US, you're looking at around $750 to $800 for the base kit, and the Fly More combo will probably cross $1,000. Same ballpark as the Mini 4 Pro, but with more features packed in. That's the Mini 5 Pro Scoop Mini Drone Major Hype. Let's see how it flies. Peace.